Hello everyone, welcome to your weekly tech update, the show that explores the newest, coolest, and sometimes just downright crazy side of tech available on the interwebs. I am your video game geek, Ray McNeil. Coming up on the program today, we're talking Alphabet's Wing. They're starting drone deliveries to US homes. Amazon is hosting a 2-day music festival in Las Vegas. And happening in this week's What The, a funeral prank by a deceased grandfather from beyond the grave leaves mourners in stitches. That and a whole lot more coming up on today's edition of your weekly tech update. Next. Hi everyone. Alphabet's Wing has started making deliveries by drone to certain homes in the US for the very first time. During a pilot program in Christiansburg, Virginia, drones will drop off packages from FedEx, Walgreens, and even a local retailer called Sugar Magnolia, which includes over-the-counter medications, snacks, and gifts. Alphabet says it's the first commercial drone delivery service to homes in the country. The Federal Aviation Administration has granted Wing an expanded air carrier certificate. It has permission to allow multiple pilots to oversee multiple unmanned aircraft, making commercial deliveries simultaneously to the general public. UPS also received FAA certification for commercial deliveries this month, but it will stick to hospitals and medical campuses for now anyway. Folks in Christiansburg can order goods from Walgreens or Sugar Magnolia through the Wing app, and a drone will drop off their order to a predetermined location in their yard or driveway. They can also opt in to have FedEx Express deliveries made by drone as well. This trial follows other Wing pilot projects in other parts of the world in Australia and Finland. It's time to embark on a wondrous adventure set in an expansive world filled with daring challenges, powerful enemies, and a bodybuilding dragon with an ego to match his oversized muscles. But the twist in this adventure is that you will move through the game world and defeat enemies with attacks based on various real-world exercises, using the 2 included accessories that respond to real-life movement. Starting now, the new Ring Fit adventure game for the Nintendo Switch system is available in stores. The 2 new accessories, the Ring Con and Leg Strap, work with the Joy-Con controllers and allow the game to turn your movements and exercise in the real world, like jogging in place squats and overhead shoulder presses, into actions within the game. Ring Fit Adventure is a new way to experience adventure gaming that lets various types of players explore a huge world and battle enemies using real-life movements and exercise. This comes from Nick Chavez. He's Nintendo of America's Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing. He said, quote, "With Ring Fit Adventure, you can tailor your exercise to your skill level, and as your skill level grows, so too will your progress in this deep adventure game." Sounds like the type of thing to get adventure-loving gamer off of the couch. In the game's main adventure mode, you'll journey through numerous colorful worlds with your ultimate goal to defeat the evil bodybuilding dragon, Draxus. As you move through each level, you'll defeat enemies with exercise using your arms, legs, and core to earn experience points and collect ingredients to craft in-game smoothies that support your journey. Between battles, you might even encounter some unusual methods of transportation, such as squat-powered launch pads, ab-twist-fueled paddle boards, and other ways to get around using the power of your real-life exercise movements. Outside of the main adventure, Quick Play Mode is a great way to enjoy Ring Fit Adventure in short bursts. This allows you to jump in and out of play. This lets you enjoy the game in different ways, like taking turns with friends and family in various mini-games. Mini-games cover a wide range of activities too, from breaking boxes with gusts of air triggered by squeezing the Ring Con accessory, to shaping pottery by performing squats. The game also features online leaderboards so you can compare your high scores with friends or your Nintendo Switch friends list. Other modes like Simple and Sets offers additional ways to work out. Simple lets you choose exercises that you want to work on and perform them individually. High scores are recorded so you can keep track of your personal bests. Sets provides linked sequences of different exercises designed around a theme or a particular body part. This mode lets you target a muscle group you want to focus on, like legs, shoulders, lower body, or your core. Before you start a session of Ring Fit Adventure, you'll simply insert the left Joy-Con into the leg strap accessory and then attach it to your upper left leg. The Ring-Con accessory, which holds the right Joy-Con, is held by both hands. The Ring-Con accessory is a flexible electronic device that provides resistance and uses the Joy-Con to respond to your movements. Ring Fit Adventure can be adjusted to your level of skill, so if you don't have experience with fitness games, well, you can change the exercise intensity at any moment to suit your ability. This will let you continue playing every day at any activity level that's comfortable for you. The fun nature of Ring Fit Adventure will motivate you to regularly get exercise as you continue your journey and level up your character in the game. And with the power of Nintendo Switch, well, the game can be taken anywhere, letting you work up a sweat at your own convenience. You know we're going to see videos of this on YouTube of people using it, say, at the bus stop. Using the multitask mode, you can use the Ring-Con accessory with an attached Joy-Con controller on its own without the Nintendo Switch system too. While you're sitting at work or watching TV, you can press and pull the Ring-Con accessory to gain reps. Later on, you can sync the Ring-Con accessory with your Ring Adventure game to convert the stored reps into bonuses. That's pretty cool, actually. It gives you bonuses such as experience and in-game items for your character. The game even includes a silent mode for people who live in an upstairs apartment or don't want to make a lot of noise. By activating this mode, jogging-style exercises are swapped out for ones that are a little bit quieter, allowing you to keep your legs active without any heavy impact on the floor. That's pretty ingenious. Ring Fit Adventure is now available in stores at a suggested retail price of $79.99 US. That includes the game card, Ring-Con, and leg strap accessories. For more information about the game, you can visit ringfitadventure.nintendo.com.